Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to link your bank account and deposit euros into your Crypto.com account. First, open the Crypto.com app. From the home screen, tap Deposit, then choose Cash. You can also get there by going to Accounts, Gives Your Account, Gives Deposit. This is where you'll find your personal bank transfer details. Now, open your online banking app or portal, set up a new payee, and carefully enter the bank transfer details you got from Crypto.com. Make sure the bank account you're using is under your own name, because only transfers from accounts that match your name will be accepted. Once you've set up the payee, go ahead and transfer the amount of euros you'd like to deposit into Crypto.com. After the transfer is complete, you'll get a notification inside the Crypto.com app and also an email confirmation. Once your funds have been successfully deposited, and that's it. You've now linked your bank account and deposited euros into your Crypto.com account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Crypto.com tips.